Hello everyone and welcome back to lesson 2 of Create with Canva. In today's lesson I will be navigating you through Canva and then showing you how to create an animated logo or just a normal logo in Canva. So now let's head over to Canva. Okay, so now we're here at Canva. So now I'll be navigating you through Canva. So first of all, you'll see in this home page, if you head over to canva.com or in the Canva app, you'll head over in this home page. This is where your account information is. I'll be showing you in the red circles. So now, here's the home page. If you click on that, you'll head over to your home page. Some beautiful templates to see over here. If you scroll down, so that you'll see some beautiful designs, some logos, some templates, and anything else over here. And here, if you click over here, you'll see your designs, all of your designs. Now let's click over there. So here's all of my designs. There's like my business card, and anything else as well. If you scroll down, like over in this side, you'll see your trash, your old folders, your brand kit, and some files that share with you by your group. And if you scroll down more, you'll see your group. Let's click on that for now. So here is your group. You can also upgrade to premium by clicking over here. So now here you'll see your designs, folders, apps, people, and groups as well, which there are none over my group. So now let's go to our home page and then show you anything else. Okay, so now we are at a design right now. So here, if you click on here at templates, you'll see all of your templates right over here. You'll see all of your templates right over here. There will be loads of templates right here. It'll be a lot of fun with templates. Here you can see some templates, like there is a template for words by Mariana and some anything else. There are some templates right here, some business card templates right over here, because I'll be showing you my business card right now. So if you click over here and uploads right over here, then you will see that there are some photos and images and videos right over here by you. There are my doll photos and everything. You can use this on your template. If you click over there, and you will see many things. Now let's click on the photos tab right now. And here you can see millions of photos. You can search them, you can use them, and they're very happy to use. Like there are yoga photos and anything else. And if you go over here called element, you'll see here that there are many types of lines, shapes, numbers, frames, stickers, charts, grids, gradients, some coronavirus stickers, some bold foliage, zodiac symbols, some bold drawn objects, and many more like this. So, and then if you head over here, you will add some text like this. From here, if you click over one of these, it will be added to a page. And then these are your other fonts and everything else. If you click over here, you will attach some music as well, like this. Okay, so there are many types of music, which are actually some premium music. You can use those beautiful normal musics, which are not premium. If you go to videos over here, and you'll see many types of videos to make your intro, like your backgrounds, beach, business, cities, fashion, food, mountains, and many types of intros, in many types of videos just for your intro. Okay, so here are some business intros, city intros, food, fashion, mountains, nature, people, and etc. There are many types of videos. And then if you go to here, over here at background, you'll get many types of photo background. That's over here, which are very beautiful to use. There are some one-colored backgrounds, wooden backgrounds. There is a pink background. So I'm just thinking to make my own intro for just all of my videos with Canva. So now let's go to this folder over here. Click over there. Here you will see many type of folders like this. And if you click on here at more, you will see some more things like styles and charts, some apps and integration. You can also add a QR code right over here. You can also add a GIF from Jiffy and an Instagram photo. You can also search and add YouTube videos to your designs, clicking over here at YouTube, or from Dropbox, Bitmoji, and anything else. And yes, we're done navigating to Canva over here. Now, let's go over here. If you click over here and animate, in Animate, you will be animating your videos. All of your photos and pages. And here is your page 1. And this is your page 2. And you can add more pages by clicking over here and add page. And you can copy some elements by clicking over here. You can also add some more elements right over here. And then you can delete it by clicking over here. And then you can add another page by clicking over here. And done. And by clicking over here, you will be downloaded. And you can upgrade to Canva Pro right this. You can share your photos by clicking over here. And you can present and do anything else right over here by clicking on these 3 dots. Alrighty, so we have navigated to Canva. And then, now I'll be showing you how to create your own logo through Canva. So let's do that right now. So now we're at our home page. So now let's go to the search bar and search for the logo. Or you can also tap on the Create a Design. So now I'll be using the Create a Design tab, like this, and then write logo, like this. I'm clicking Go, and then click on here at logo, like this. And then here is a page for making your logo. Then you'll see many types of logo templates, which are very beautiful, like Facebook shop logo, badge logo, art design logo, and anything else. You can use anything you like. But now I really like this thing, this template right now. I'll be using this template for now, but you can also use anything else. So first of all, I'll be showing you how to make with these elements, and then I'll be showing you how to make with templates. So now you can search here some icons and shapes. Click over there, and then I'll be searching for a circle. Circle. Done. There are many types of circles. Now I'll be clicking on this white one because it's beautiful, and it's right over here. It says auto design my palette from here. Okay, it's done. Now let's add a text right over here, like this. And then I recommend using this Create a Subheading tab. But you can also use these other ones, or some other things with other fonts. Okay, so now I'll be using this Add a Subheading tab. Let's write our text. Write about. Okay, so you can see it over here. Okay, now let's write our text. Anisa's Creative World. Okay, it's done. We've written it. And let's put it out over here, right up. If you click on over here, you'll put it in many types of sides. Now let's update the fonts by clicking over here. Okay, so I have a favorite font of calligraphy. So now I'll be searching for that. Okay, so here are some many type of fonts over here. Let's go to here at Genie Script. Click on that, and then your font is upgraded. I like a bold color, that's why I'm bolding it out. You can also use others like Belinda, like Clicker Script, and so anything else. So now I'll be using Jimmy Script. All done. Now let's change the color by clicking over here, like this. So now I'll be using from my colored palette, or you can use from any other colors, like now I'm using, like this. Look, it's all pink color. Let me zoom it. It's done. We'll see it while we're saving it. Okay, now it's done. Now let's add some more flowers and photos. Now click and then search for the element, like flowers. Okay, it's done. Here are some many type of flowers over here, so I like to use this one right now. But I have to resize it. Put it on the up. Adjust the text like this. And then it's done. Now let's resize the text as well. And it's done. It's done. Now let's add another text right now. A text over here. It's a subheading. Okay, so now let's update our text right now. Update it out. So let's write Go Creative. It's done. Okay, so our writing is done. Now let's resize it and put it somewhere. Now let's adjust the fonts right over here. Let's use the Jimmy Script font again over here. And then bold it out. Resize it. And it's done. Now let's change the colors with pink. And our logo for now is done. Now let's download it out for now to see how it came out like. Okay, so let's click on the download button and then push your file type. So now it's suggesting PNG, but I would like to download it as JPG. Okay, so now let's download it like this. It's preparing your design. It's done. It's downloading as well. It's done. Now let's click over here at Continue Editing. It's done. Let's go back to see our logo. So here's what my logo looks like right now that we've made. It's just a normal logo. And now I'll be showing you how to create a logo using your template. Okay, now I'll be showing you how to create a logo using a template. So now let's go to create a design over here. Tap on that and write logo again. Logo. And then click over here like this. So now let's go to a logo page and then let's use make a logo. So now I really like the template I've just showed you before. Is this logo template. Click on that and it's done. And now let's make our own logo template. Let's edit it out. So now I'll be changing the background to white, or you can also use a pink one. Now I'm making, and now I'll be changing the writings as Anisa's Creative World. Done. And then to this little thing over here, let's edit it just like that. Okay, so now we have written our logo right over here. So let's resize the element like this, and it's done. Okay, so now I would like to change the color of the background of the colors right now as about blue. Okay, it's done. Now let's everything over. Now let's resize everything over to blue over here. First of all, so let's put it to blue, blue, and blue. And then let's resize the background as well. Let's change the color of the background to white. And yes, it's done. Now I'll be changing the element as well, color as well, to pink. And it's done. I think our logo looks beautiful. So now let's download it out for once. By clicking over here at download. Okay, let's click over there. And let's download it as JPG. And then download. It's preparing your design. Let's wait, and it's done. And let's download it out, and it's done. Now, let's click over here and continue editing. Let's go to see our logo. So here is our logo that we made with our template. So this is just a logo that I've shown you how to make it, but this is not actually my real logo. Let me show you my real logo. So this is my real logo. It has a flower, some writings, and some circle. I think it's very beautiful. Alright, so let's go back. So this is my videos album actually. Just for my videos over here. Okay, it's done. Let's go back. So I hope you liked today's lesson, and make sure to like and subscribe, and you can also watch my other videos right in the description box and anything else. Okay, and please read the description box right now because there are some important information right over there. I would like to give you a quick snapshot of what's on the description box. So you have to make your own logo, just for own logo, and then send it to YouTube. Put your own logo and then animate your logo, and then use it as a beautiful animated intro, and then write it as a tag called Create with Anisa. So that's your homework. Alright, so I hope you like this video. See you next time.